Hello, we're the History Hikers. I'm Dries.
And I'm Jente.
Welcome to Château de Bilstein.
For which we have hiked 3 kilometers upwards. It was an ascent of 750 meters altitude. So we are taking you along on video so you don't have to hike the 3 kilometers.
You're welcome. Perched atop of the northeastern tip of the Schlossberg in Rickeweer stand the proud remains of the castle of Bilstein. The Auburen edition is to distinguish it from a different castle Bilstein in Alsace.
It was probably built by the Duke of Lorraine to defend the farthest reaches of his lands. The first mention in the sources is a very interesting tale. Provost Mathieu, brother of the Duke, used to be Bishop of Toul. We say used to be because he was stripped of his title. We don't know if they took away his mitre because he was a bad bishop or because he had a daughter born out of an affair with a nun. Maybe both. After losing the bishopric, he led a scandalous life, roaming around with bandits, and was even driven out of the Duchy of Lorraine by his brother. In 1217 he ambushed the new bishop and killed him, after which he fled and took refuge in the castle of Bilstein. After several weeks of hiding he fled, but eventually was found and killed by his own nephew, the new Duke of Lorraine.
The castle was sold in the 14th century to Ulrich of Württemberg, and under their stewardship the castle was expanded and improved, with particular mention to the laying of new tiles made in nearby Rickeweer, both in the 1470s and in 1546.
When the Württembergs converted during the Reformation in the 16th century, the castle was besieged by Emperor Charles V, though he was unable to capture it. Further reinforcements ensued and Bilstein served as a true bastion of the Reformation. We read about a tale that as soon as papal troops were sighted, a cannon shot would be fired to alert the neighboring villages.
The castle would stand proud on its hill until the 30 Years' War, when Austrian troops did finally conquer Bilstein and set it aflame. The castle then served as a stone quarry for the neighboring inhabitants. When looking at drawings of proposed views of the castle in its heyday, we're quite surprised how little is left. Bilstein was stripped completely and left as a lonely tower on the mountain. That was the Château de Bilstein Auburen. Time for the arbitrary subjective castle score. I'm gonna say 6. The views are basically everything here. What do you think?
At first I was going to say 5.5, but then I saw like the face with the bear ears, so now I agree with a 6.
Great. Leave your score in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.
And like, comment, subscribe and all that good YouTube stuff if you want to see more of these kind of castles.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye!